Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transfer case and differential fluid change kits for the 2010 to 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser models. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of gear oils for changing both the front and rear differentials, as well as the center transfer case. The gear oils in our kit are also in accordance with Toyota specifications and viscosity recommendations for the transfer case and differentials used in this Toyota FJ Cruiser application. We include a total of 5 liters of the fully synthetic Revenol MTF3, which is a 75W85 GL5 gear oil. 2 liters are required for changing the front differential gear oil, and 3 liters are required for changing the rear differential gear oil. For changing the center transfer case fluid, we include 2 liters of the fully synthetic Revenol MTF3, which is a 75 weight gear oil. Depending on the type of transmission you have, either 1 or 2 liters are required for changing the center transfer case fluid. To see how you can confirm your exact transfer case fluid capacity, check out the link in the description below. What really sets these gear oils apart from others is Revenol's use of high-quality, fully synthetic base oils, along with their advanced additive formulations engineered and made in Germany. They are specifically formulated to outperform standard transfer case fluids and gear oils. Some of the benefits are extreme shear stability, improved driveline efficiency, a higher resistance to foaming, better oxidation and wear protection, fuel-saving characteristics, and longer change intervals. To learn more about the benefits of using these gear oils, feel free to visit our website. Another great benefit is Revenol's proprietary bottle cap. It includes an integral pour spout and fill tube that conveniently allows you to easily fill your differentials and transfer case without spilling. And in most cases, an additional fluid pump would not need to be used. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transfer case and differential fluid change kits for the 2010 to 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser models. If you have any other questions or for more information on our BLAU fluid change kits, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.